Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you 3 important tips for making your video scripts that involve a presenter sound more natural. Tip 1 is to talk to your audience directly by including the word you. This helps you form a more personal connection with your viewer. Tip 2 is to use simple and less formal language, as this will sound more natural and conversational. Tip 3 is to break your script down into shorter paragraphs of 1 or 2 sentences each. This will help you avoid writing long and clunky sentences which don't sound natural on video. Lastly, our bonus tip is to read your script out loud. This will help you hear if your writing sounds conversational or not. See you next time.